Can you buy a dream vacation using your credit card and not end up in debt? Stick around as I will show you how it is possible. But first, let's talk about using your credit card smartly so it works for you and not against you. Hello everyone, I am Jitendra Shrivastav, strategist for managing and protecting wealth. Today, we are diving into a quick but powerful discussion about credit cards, how to use them smartly, and avoid common pitfalls. This video is just the tip of the iceberg. For a deeper dive or personalized professional advice, feel free to reach out to us. Part 1. Practically, what is a credit card really? A credit card is not just free money. Think of it like borrowing your friend's car. You can use it, but if you return it late or worse, with a scratch, there are consequences. Similarly, with credit cards, if you don't pay back fully on time, you will face penalties and sky-high interest rates. Trust me, the only thing scarier than a ghost is credit card bill with 30% interest. Part 2. Why do most people get into trouble with credit cards? Here are 3 common reasons. First, overspending, thinking I'll figure it out later. Second, paying only the minimum amount due. Big mistake. Third, ignoring credit card statements, treating them like junk mail. For example, imagine buying a $6,000 gadget and paying just $500 every month. It feels light, right? But with credit card interest, the gadget might cost you $10,000 or more. It's like paying for first class but traveling economy. Finally, part 3. How to use credit card smartly. First, pay your balance in full to avoid heavy interest. Treat your credit card bill like rent to pay, non-negotiable. Second, use reward points wisely. For example, I booked my first trip to Dubai, turning a 25,000 rupee ticket into just 3,000, all thanks to reward points. This reminds me of our initial question. Can you buy a dream vacation with your credit card and avoid debt? The answer is yes. If you use reward points smartly, pay off your balance and never overspend. Third, stick to a budget. Here is the golden rule. Don't spend more on credit card than you can pay off from your bank account right now. Now it's a myth busting time. Some people think using a credit card ruins your finances and that credit cards are bad. Wrong. It's how you use it that matters. Just don't treat it like a magical bond that makes money appear. Even Harry Potter had troubles sometimes. Here is a simple financial quote for you. A credit card is like a financial genie, granting you wishes with ease. But misuse it, delay payments, or pay partially, and it can quickly trap you in a long cycle of debt. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. I will see you in the next video.